वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। फ्रेंड्स, आज हम बात करेंगे कि आप 5 ऑनलाइन बिजनेस यू कैन स्टार्ट विथ नो मनी। आप 5 ऑनलाइन बिजनेस कर सकते हैं, वो उसकी डिटेल हम आज इसी वीडियो में करेंगे। तो वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखना। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो वीडियो को लाइक करना। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। सबसे पहले जो है 5 minutes emails updates. The internet is the great qualification in business, especially it is leveled and the playing field. Anyone can start a money marketing online business. Anyone with computer, that is, but the thing. Virtually no technical experience is needed today. There are plenty of tools you can use to build an online business that make technical work a lot easier than it was the past. You can also live anywhere you went, send your honor scholar and work as later or as much as you went, depending on how fast or big you want your business to grow. No business marketing experience is needed. It's requirement medium for scholarship. Best of all, unto a best business you don't I started capital and fact you can get many internet business up and running with no money. It's all because so many free services facilitate the possible. From example, you can set a website or blog for free using WordPress, or you can leaving third party style Amazon or eBay to sell goods with no investor cost. You user selling platform is exchange for giving them a cut of your sales, and this is just the start. The many available no money e-commerce starter solution. Let's consider 5 of top way start online business, make money online with little or no cost at all. तो यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं ये इनके एग्जाम्पल, ये सारे कुछ यहाँ पे व्हाट इज रेसेंस, व्हाट इज ब्लॉगिंग। तो जस्ट मैं यहाँ पे किसी और टॉपिक को ज्वाइन करता हूँ। स्टार्ट मार्केटिंग मनी टुडे विथ गूगल एड्स। हाउ मेक मनी विथ गूगल एड्स। इफ यू have an online presence, you can platform for in Google Ads. If you have website, a blog, or any other kindly of presence on the internet, Google has way to monetize its cancelled. Google AdSense is a program that these make money. Everyone can service these ads, and you get money when people click on theme. Using internet search technology, Google will service ads that are relevant to the special content of web page. For entries, if someone is on a web page that concerns the latest gold tracking, Google will service ads from gold or golfing actual. If you event sites, you get paid every time someone click on one these ads is used in cancel it. Major benefits you might not every notice banner ads anymore is internet service social we have learned to the factor theme out. There is also banner fetching software available because banner ads can be very uneven ads that's called harm your website relationship. However, Google Ads is different web page and therefore is more expensive. It's also possible to make money helping living from Google Ads with company to traffic. Try Google Ads Auto your site back legs and watch the money roll. It work way like anything in business is take investment of your time get return that you can back on. तो यहाँ पे जो how make money with Amazon, it's not selected the Amazon is scholarship and for others, but Amazon is left of online affiliate marketing. Amazon, a small online book written from with limited marketing breaks. Amazon direct top into real life of book help word instead of having an internal out of money to buy advertising. Amazon paid people commission with the referred paying customers to Amazon. This commission was paid customer often marketing costs. With the Amazon Express program launched in 1998, there went many easy options was for building internet internship to make money online. Amazon affiliate program changed selling a tone a book from Amazon explained its product line. The make money income from Amazon has become is Amazon select is fair low payout commission to other affiliate program 1% to 10% description and find something to promote and make money like any other home because make money by checking some earn on income with Amazon research word and marketing. Here are some tips maximum Amazon program pros of become an Amazon affiliate. तो यहाँ पे for simple to make money with blog start marketing today with Google Ads. How marketing business online 50 setup to marketing solution money together. Uh, the 7 best blogging platform of 2021. 5 online business you can with no money working at home affiliate marketing. It's affiliate really प्लेटफॉर्म. तो यहाँ पे आपको सारी कुछ समझ में आ गई होगी. तो हाउ मेक मनी सेल्फ कैन अमेजिंग सेल्फ पब्लिशर मेक मनी. हाउ मेक मनी सेल्फ पब्लिशर book Amazon. The internet relationship so many instead and business in the publisher work and partner Amazon self publisher. It has revealed the playing field, allow others to take contact to publisher the work without having go together. Gatekeepers, its publisher like Random House. They are service where to publisher you work online and make money too, but on one service and partners is become to get otherwise Amazon सेल्फ पब्लिशर। तो यह थी आज की वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करना, मेरे चैनल पे नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़।